Welcome back, lovelies! Are you ready for another exciting ABC adventure? Let's dive in and have some fun. Hey there, adventurers! Our first stop is the letter I. Can you shout I with me? 1, 2, 3. I! I is for ice cream!
Hi there! I'm a yummy ice cream cone, and I love to make everyone smile. Can you say I for ice cream?
Wonderful! Our next letter is J. Ready? 1, 2, 3. J! J is for Juggler!
Hello, friends! I'm a juggler, and I love to toss and catch. Can you say J for juggler?
Fantastic! Now let's kick it to the letter K. 1, 2, 3. K. K is for kite.
Hi, friends! I'm a kite, and I love to dance in the wind. Can you say K for kite?
Hooray! Our last letter for today is L. 1, 2, 3. L. L is for lion.
I'm a lion, the king of the jungle. Can you say L for lion?
Fantastic job, everyone! Today we explored the letters I, J, K, and L. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Join us next time for more exciting ABC adventures. Until then, keep exploring and having fun. Bye-bye!